The channel. Today is a big day for two reasons. One, which I think is important for my YouTube career, or hopefully a career, is that I hit 10 subscribers, which is awesome. And then the second big thing is that I have 6 new pets. They're not your typical pets, but they are low maintenance pets, which is good. Meet my pet moss balls. I picked them up at Petco the other day for $10, because these apparently are exotic moss balls as opposed to your lawn moss balls. I don't know. These are what are known as Marimo moss balls, which, as you can see, aren't very large. That's my finger compared to one of them. Yeah, I have them in this cereal bowl right now because I have a goldfish tank arriving in maybe 6 to 8 weeks. No, I'm kidding. A couple days. Even though I'm out here in rural New Hampshire. Hooray for Prime. So yeah, hopefully they'll be happy in there until their tank arrives. And until then, thanks for watching. Have a great night. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I'll try to get something going soon. Bye.